Hello.
Assalamu alaikum, mentor.
Walaikum assalam. Hold on, okay? I have a headphone on.
Sure,
Oh,
sure.
I can use the headphone mic. Hello?
Yes. How are you, mentor?
Okay. Yeah, all right. How are you? Okay.
Yes, I'm also doing well.
Okay. So let's see. Do you remember what we were talking about last session?
Yes, in the last session, you introduced us to the chart of your 40-minute and 20-minute candle. What are there? What they do?
Okay. So whatever we went through then, you have any question or anything, any problem,
Yes, I
any?
have a question about
Yeah.
this candles. Okay, so as you can see, you said that the 40-minute candles mean 40 pips up or down. So
Yeah.
in market, the pips continuously up and down. If we
Right.
take a blue candle, does it mean the candle go up for 40 pi? I mean 40 pips?
Not every candle, no. Okay, let me show you how you can
Yes.
always look into um, because they print like every 5, 6 pip, a new candle
Yes.
prints, a blue candle. But the first reversal candle is around that 40 pip. Let's measure, right?
Yeah.
For example, this first, let me open up a little bit more. You can, do it yourself later on, and then we look into here, right? So look, the this reversal candle, right? Now in the
Yes.
bottom right corner, you see H, L, C, and V values here in these
Yes.
boxes. When I put this cursor across here over this candle, the reversal candle, you can see that the high of the candle was, what was that?
1.339.
Okay, 33.93,
Yes.
right? One is always one, right? So 33.93. Now, what was the low? 33?
33.41.
Okay. So 33.40, let's say, or 41, make it 43 to be, to make it easy. So 33.43 to 33.93. How many pips? Minus 93 minus 43.
Let me
90
calculate.
minus 40. So
33,
no, no,
41
no.
minus.
No, 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 no. Listen. Don't get
Yes.
confused, bro. 33, 3,300 is there. 93 minus 41. So how much is that? Let's say 90 minus 40. Simple. You
50.
mind? Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
what is the difference from the high to the low? How many pips?
Almost 50.
Almost 50. Right? That's what
Yes.
it is. Right. So if you see a
So
reversal candle, that means from the bottom, price already have risen 50 pips
yes.
and then close over there. Right? That's
Yes.
why it's a reversal candle because it's there are these are like a lot of candles, a lot of pippage for a good for reversal. Now after that, the next candle. Now the high of this red candle is 93, and the high of
93.
this next blue candle is what?
Uh,
3401.
3401.
So now from 3401 minus 3393, how many pips there? They're not
Almost
50.
40.
No, bro.
Oh,
Get
sorry, I
confused.
miscalculated.
For 93, 7 more is going to be 34.
34.
And this is 34.1. So one more. So
One more.
8 more candle.
8 more
Eight
candle.
more candle, you have the
Pips.
next blue candle. Pips, yeah, sorry. No, not candle, yeah. So the high of this blue candle, the first blue candle is 34.01. The
3401.
high of the next blue candle is 34.09,
3409.
right? So 9 minus
Right.
1,
9 minus 1, 8.
8. So after 8 candle, sorry, 8 pip, these blue
Pips.
candles are now printing every 7,
Yes.
8 pip. But the reversal candle comes when the price go up or down from high or the low, almost like 50 pip in the reverse
Almost.
direction. So from here, it goes all the way here and close. That's 50 pip to the upside. And then every like 9, 10 pip, and you have a new candle. But then again, boom, it comes down 50 pip the other side. You understand what I'm saying? So this is
Yes.
how the first candle, the reversal candle, is the one. That's why it is a reversal or a signal candle, because the price moved drastically or too much on the other side,
To the
right?
other
So
side.
that's give us a heads up that a turn might be happening, because 40, 50 pip the price goes the other side. If it is going to go down, usually that doesn't happen. Price is like 7, 8 pip, 10 pip, 15 pip, and then constantly coming down, down, down. Every red candle is around 8 pip, maybe sometimes 10 pip, 9 pip, 8 pip, 10 pip, 9 pip, 8 pip, and all of a sudden you have a reversal candle that closes the other side almost 50 pip. That's why it's a signal that price might be making a turn. Then we wait for a retracement, a small retracement on a small time frame, and get in from there so that we don't get negative. On a 7-minute chart, 20-minute chart, as soon as you get in, most likely you will be in profit without going into. That's why our SL is so small, because you don't need a big SL. I hate to lose,
Right.
to be honest with you. So on a 7-minute chart, the SL is only 7 pips, right? The setup.
Right.
And if you look at the entry setup on a 7-minute chart, what is the SL? Above the high or below the low, and it's almost like the 7 pip. Now, on the 20-minute chart, it's 25. 20-minute chart is a little bit bigger, right? Bigger than the 7
Right.
minutes. So either 15 pip or 25. But
15 or
the
20.
reversal candle is around, let's say, 45 to 50 pip most of the time, right? It
Right.
depends on the pairs as well, how much they move. So, on let's say Euro USD, they might be not that much. I don't know. Let's see, but there's still a lot. Um, for example, here, if you look at here, this is how many pips? The high is 1718, and the low is 1671. So 71, so that's like 29 pip right there, and 18. So 29, so 39, 49, well, same 50 pip. Okay. So the
Almost.
reversal candle from the high to the low is 50 pip. Got it or no?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Next question. Do you have any other question?
Can you increase your volume a little bit? It's a little bit slower.
Uh, it doesn't matter. If I increase my volume, it's going to be increased on my computer here, not there. My mic is
Okay.
working fine. Your volume needs to be raised.
Yeah, my volume is already full.
So why is so low? Let me see. Is it see, my volume here is all the way high, and I can hear
Okay.
you perfectly.
Okay, I can hear you. No problem.
Yeah, your speakers, the speaker volume, fix that. They
Yes,
can
it's
be
almost
high or
full.
low. Okay. And no. Look, there is a volume on the speaker. Is it
Right.
outside the speaker or in built-in speaker?
No, I'm using my headphone.
You're using your headphone. Okay. So headphone
Yes.
has a setting for the volume.
Yes, everything is full inside my computer and my headphone also.
Okay, but you're still not hearing me correctly?
I can hear you, but it feels like it's a little bit lower than the other times.
Okay, let me do this. Okay, hold on just a minute. Maybe I'm using my headphone for the first time. So I'm going to remove that. Okay, hold on. I don't really need that. I was hearing some music and all that, so that's why I was thinking. Let me just get rid of that. Um, it's a Wi-Fi thingy, so maybe that's just... Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, it's better.
Now your voice is gone. What's up?
I can hear you. Hello?
Yeah, but okay, hold on. Yeah. Can you hear me now
Okay.
better?
Yes, it's fully clear.
Okay, no problem. All right, so I was using the headphone which I disconnected, because that's Bluetooth sometimes gives you a problem.
Okay.
Now I'm using regular mic and regular speakers. Okay. So, yeah. So any other question?
No, that was the only question I had.
Okay. Now, tell me, I'm going to ask a few questions. I remember last
Okay.
time that you were not, with the pace, I should I say. So, let me ask you this. How many rules we have for entry on a
Four
20-minute
rules.
chart?
We have
Right.
four rules.
Or how many rules we have on a 7-minute chart?
Four rules?
No. One more extra rule. Maybe I have not told you that.
Okay.
One more extra rule on a 7-minute chart is the one that, what the heck is this? So why I don't see a 7-minute chart here? Mm, let me go somewhere else. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So pound yen chart, I have it here. Now, look, 20-minute entry, right? For
Right.
example, like this one. This is a short, beautiful entry, right?
Right.
And even this one, right? Let's say this one, is it an entry
Yes.
or not?
Yes, it's a good
Okay.
entry.
So yellow line is below the black. But
Yes, thin black.
let me ask you this. Is yellow line below the red?
No.
No. So, but it's a good entry. And you can see
Yes.
that after that it dropped nicely. And then this entry is nice, and this entry is nice, and this entry, right? And this also is a very nice entry. Now, if I ask you that this is a long entry or no?
It didn't touch the bottom of the same yellow.
Bottom of no, it doesn't have to be. The bottom indicator just need to be touching that one of these red lines.
Yes, one of these. Yes,
Yeah,
it's a
so
good
this
entry.
was the entry, this was the entry, right?
Entry. Yes.
But it didn't work out. That's fine. That happens all the time, no problem. But let's say if you enter this one right here and it goes almost 29 pip. So what you do is that you come and sit on a break even, or you reduce your risk. Let's say from SL from 25 pip, you move it to 10 pip only. And then it comes and hits your SL, and how much you lose? 10 pip. That's fine,
10 pip.
no problem. Or if you are sitting on a break even, nothing. But
Nothing.
when you are making something like this, you're making an entry here and then you go down here, that's more than 200 pip. So when you catch the big one that covers almost easy, like 7 to 10 losses, no problem whatsoever. So these small losses mean nothing. But
Nothing.
now again, let's get back to the topic. So this is the good entry but failed, but it's a good entry because of the
Right.
rules, right? But
Yes.
on a 7-minute chart, what need to be done is it a good entry?
Yes.
Yeah, but no. Why not? Because our rule is one more extra rule in this entry, that yellow line must be above the black as well as must be above the red.
It's only for the 7 minute chart.
It's only for the 7-minute chart.
Okay.
7-minute chart need to be, like 5 rules, and the fifth one is that yellow line must be
Over
above the
the
black as well. Or
red
you can
and
say
black.
4 rules, but the rule number one is a little different. Rule number one on the 20-minute chart is the yellow line must be above the black only.
Black
That's it.
line.
But on
Yes.
the 7-minute chart, yellow line must be above the black as well as
And red.
above the red. Okay.
Yes.
So coming down, for example, this one is good entry, right? You
Right.
see that? This is what we need. This is what we need. um, this is what we need. This is what we need. Okay. So
Right.
yellow line that you need, must go above the black. It would be above the black anyway, but we need that above the red as well. We need a little bit more confirmed confirmation. Confirmed confirmation. See, this is also yellow is above the black, and it is a good one, but sometimes it's not. So I would say that stay focus and just wait for another clear entry which comes here. No
Yeah.
problem. So you get that, and then you can see a lot of entries which are correctly according to our rule. But sometimes when they are not completely other side of the red, they backfire. Okay, so just remember that the 7 minute rule, the seven also need to be above the red. Now, what is the second rule?
The second rule
Yeah,
for the entry.
yeah.
Okay, so the first entry was the yellow line have to be below or above the black line, and the second rules is the same halo. It must be touched the over or the bottom red lines.
Right, yeah. So it has to be for long, it has to be all the way in the bottom. For short, it
Right.
has to be on the way on the top, right? If you have the first like a short, then you have to have this one on the top. If long, then you have to have this one all the way in the bottom, right? But
Right.
see, this one short, but this one here is long. That's not the entry at all, right? So when you have this one and this one on the top, this is short. Yes, that's a good entry. This is a good entry. This is a good entry. So you look for these entries, right?
Right.
What is the third condition?
We have to take it the waves. If we are going for the high, then the waves have to be higher high. If we are going for the low, it have to be lower low.
What has to be lower?
Uh, the pips movements, the candle movements. If let's say if you click on the 1745, 13 January.
I don't know, man. I have to look for it. But why are you giving me date?
No, I'm
Where is
just
13
showing
January?
you.
This is January 30th.
30 January, yes.
Okay. Okay, forget about that. Let me ask you this. But in fact, let me just tell you, right?
Okay.
It's not that, you're saying that what is you say that high, it has to be high? What?
The waves movement, like
No,
this
see, not the wave
candles
movement.
movement.
No, 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 not the wave movement. Not the wave movement, but either the high or the low.
Okay.
That's only one point. For example, this is the high, right?
Yes.
Right there is the
Right.
high. After that, price drop.
Right.
This is the low, right
Low.
there, right? Understand that. I'm not
Yes.
talking about the wave. I'm not talking about the EMAs. I'm talking about the price making high or low point. This is the low and this is
Low.
the high.
High.
Got it?
Yes.
This is the low, precise
This is the
low,
low.
exact low. This is the exact high.
High.
So when short, the third condition is that this high must be below than this high.
This high. Yes.
And for the long, this low must be higher than this low, which is not here in this case, right? But in this
Right.
case, yes. So you can, this one, this high, sorry, this low point. Now you have a low here and then even this one, right? So now this
Right.
one, yellow is below the black, so no entry,
Not.
right? No long
Right.
entry. But then if this is the low, or you count this low here, but this low, you can see that it's a perfect entry,
Perfectly.
right? And
Right.
also this low is higher than this or this, whatever you count the low, last low,
Yes.
right? So if you count this is the last low, then still this one is higher low
Higher.
and this is lower low. So you must be making higher low for long, right? And the price must be lower high for short. The high
Perfect.
must be lower than the previous high.
So, in good words, what will you tell the third condition?
In gold work, what do you mean gold work?
I mean, in good words, like I just told you in a very confused way. If you just tell it in a smart and understandable way, what will you say?
Okay, I still don't understand. Talk a little bit slow.
Okay.
What you're trying to
So
say?
as you asked me the third question, I
Okay.
give you a very confused answer, right? So
You
when
gave me
you are
what?
teaching me, I give you a very confused answer, like you didn't get it at all.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
confused answer, you're saying. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when somebody asks me to what was the third condition, what will I tell them in a good way?
Okay. For long,
For long,
the price must be making higher low.
higher low. Okay.
And for short, price must be making lower high.
Lower low. Yeah, lower
No,
high.
no, no, not lower low, bro. For okay, okay, make this clear that is this for short. See, this is high and this is high.
This is
Both
high.
are high, right?
Right.
But which is lower high? This one or this one?
The second one.
Second one is lower. It is high but lower high.
Right.
That's what you need for short.
Sure.
Just the opposite for long.
Yes.
Higher low. Now for the opposite, you need this is low and this is low.
Low.
But which is higher?
The second one.
Okay.
Upper
So
one.
this is low but higher. Higher
Yes.
than the previous low.
Previous one.
Both are low. So
Low.
you need to be low to go long. You need to be high to go short.
Sure.
Right? But in
Right.
both cases, you need to be the opposite of the last one. Means if the price is dropping and you're making lower high, so the last one that you're making an entry from must be lower high than the previous. This is this
Previous.
high is lower high, it's lower than the previous one. This is higher
Previous.
high, this is lower high to compare to this one.
Right.
But this one is just the opposite. We need,
Opposite.
yes, we need a low but higher low. This is
Higher
higher
low.
than this. Both are low,
Right.
but this low is higher than the previous. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is what you said, tell anybody who asking that this is what we need. The low must be the entry low, wherever you're
Entry
making
low.
the entry. If you want to go long here, then what is the last low? Maybe this one or this one. So this has to be, if you go long, this one has to be higher low, which is not.
Higher low.
The previous one, this one, they are all high, low. This one is lower than all of them. So
Right.
you can't go long here. You can't go long here because this is called lower low, but you
Lower
need
low.
higher low to go
Higher
long.
low.
Higher low, higher low,
Higher.
right? So this is not.
Right.
This is yeah, but here you can go short. Got it?
Right.
Okay. Any other question?
Now,
Okay. Now, um, okay. So this is what it is now. And what is the fourth condition?
we have to find a reversal candle, and
Okay.
after that, a confirmation candle on the same reversal candle direction.
Okay. So first we need yeah, a reversal candle, right?
Yes.
And
Right.
then one more candle, either blue or red, whatever the direction we are going in. So, for
Right.
example, here, if you're looking for short, then you have a reversal candle right here, and then one more candle,
One more
right?
candle.
And then right the end of this, you open the trade. Basically, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to open the trade if you have the CTS 7, which I know you have it. So before you see all of this garbage, I'm just telling you that these are the conditions. But with my 40-minute chart, you must know all of that ahead of time and place your CTS 7 robot on the 7-minute chart. And as soon as the entry shows up, it will open the trade
By the
automatically.
trade.
Right?
Autumn.
So in this
Right.
case, it will not open here long because the analysis would say that this thing probably going to drop. So you make it short only. For example, here, if I put this CTS 7, I don't know if I can put it here or not. Let me see if I can. See, it's rejected because it's not allowed. I have to add this account in there. But let me drop this one. Yeah. So, okay. So this one is, so let me just open it up. Where the heck did it go? Oh, it didn't show. Okay. So anyway, so before you put it, you have an option, right? So see
Right.
this option here, you have to have direction, right? It says both, means long and short,
Both
right?
way. What is
So
the
for
correct?
example, let me give you an example, right? So you can understand. So let's say I made this chart I made this chart, for example, pound Aussie. Let's take a look at the pound Aussie, and I'm gonna turn this into a pound Aussie as well. The 7-minute chart. Look at the 7-minute chart now. Pound Aussie 7-minute chart, right? Um, okay. Now we have the 7-minute chart open, right? Now
Right.
here on this MT4, when I made this chart, hold on. It was Friday, so I didn't post the chart anywhere. I didn't give it to anyone uh, because it was Friday, and I was busy doing something else. So this is the chart deck. Look, this is the chart I made that's gonna go up, right, from
Go
here.
up. Right.
And it is bouncing from, let's say, this SNR level, so 95.69, right? And it was above that already, right? The price is right here. So
Right.
above this, or after this closing, see, remember, if you look closely, let me see. See, do you have a reversal candle here?
Yes.
Where? Where's the reversal candle?
Both of them are overlapping with each other?
Any reversal candle here?
No, it's looks like both are bigger. No
Both
reversal
red
candle.
candles, right? They are bigger, or
Right.
not bigger or smaller. There is nothing bigger and smaller, bro.
Okay, sorry.
Either
My
red
fault.
candle, blue candle, or reversal candle,
No, it's
right?
not reversal candle.
So see, the reversal candle has very small bottom,
Very small. Yes.
right? But this one has a big bottom. I
Big
mean,
bar.
not bottom, the middle body. I'm talking about body,
Body.
very small body.
Yes.
This one has a big body. It's not a reversal candle, but this
No.
candle is not even finished yet. The next candle didn't open. So this
Right.
candle was underway, and I still make the chart that's saying, what make me so confident that this thing is gonna go up from here? You see that?
Your yeah.
Uh, yeah, go ahead, say, yeah, your what?
Your all the I mean, what it does it say? Experience and all your knowledge that you gather.
No, not really. I already taught you, bro. Look where it is. If you pull the fifth from here to here, what are the
Yeah.
two extension retracement levels? You remember?
Retracement level. Oh yes, yes. One is 61.
Huh? The other one
Another
is?
one is 78.
Okay, so the price touched to what?
Yeah, 78.
78. So when
Right.
it was touched the 78 and then start to make a candle there and not going down, so only I guess, that's it.
Okay,
You
you
have
guess. Okay.
to assume that this might happen because this is what we learned, right? Either
Right.
if you see 61%, then you start thinking that, well, it might bounce. 78%, well, it might bounce from here. Well, 61%, you see the 61?
61.
Before it bounced from there,
Right.
right? So if you make an entry here, that's 60, 70 pip trade right there.
Right.
But then this is on 23% line. So remember, I always tell you this. What are the harmonic patterns? That's 61%, 78, that's reversal. But also 23% line, if you have anything that is bouncing from 23% line, I always call my golden line,
Golden line.
right? This is where my main profit comes from, this line. This is my main
Uh,
thing.
I think we didn't learn about harmonic pattern.
Okay. Well, forget about that. But
Okay.
we learned about the extension levels and retracement level, right?
Retracement levels. Right.
So see this. This is the move. The
Move.
first retracement level gave you a bounce.
Bounce.
Second retracement level, 78, gave you a bounce.
78.
So it was
Bounce.
there when I made the chart. And I didn't even bother waiting that if it might give me a reversal candle or
Candle or
this
not.
and that. I says, this is the place where 80% chance that we're gonna bounce and then we go
Bounce.
there. So I made the chart and I start to watch what I need to start to watch now.
The chart for a reversal candle, and then we'll open the 7 minute or 20-minute entry.
No, the first one is,
The first one,
yeah,
at the line,
20 or
the
7.
7.
Okay, so first thing first, right?
First
First
thing
thing
first.
first. So
Yes.
what we need to do here, from here, that start watching the 7-minute chart. Once you take the entry, you're done with that, then you worry about the 20-minute entry, right?
20 minutes.
You don't watch both the same time because you're not gonna get the both at the same time. You get the 7 minute first, and after a little while, you will get the 20 later on. Okay, you get
Can I
like,
ask a question?
yeah,
So right now we are looking at 40-minute chart, and we said after the 40-minute chart, go to the 7 or 20-minute chart for entry. So
yeah,
first we should go to the 7-minute chart.
yeah,
Suppose, and we make an entry there,
yeah.
and then we go to the 20-minute chart to open another entry.
If the 7 minute, that's what see, this is what you have to decide that what 7 minute is going to do. My preference for 7 minute chart is that around 40 to 50 pip, you close the trade. Okay.
In 7-minute
Why?
candle.
Because it then start retracing and coming down,
Coming
and
down.
oftentimes you will lose that profit. So
Profit.
7 minute chart to make the maybe 50, 60 pip. If it is moving too fast, then hold on to it. If it is off of the big news, then hold on to it. It might just go 100, 120 pip anyway in a straight
Right.
line. But if you see that it's stopping around 40 pip, 50 pip, you close it, and then it comes down a little bit and create a 20-minute entry. Then you
20
take
minute.
that entry again. That's how it is.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes you have a 7 minute entry and it's perfectly working fine. The price went up too much and you're still holding on, and then the price will drop and give you the second entry on 20-minute chart. You can take that as well. So sometimes, yes, I have the 7 minute open and then also I take the 20 minute. And sometimes this is all discretion. This is all depend on this. I cannot set up like a specific rule on that you must do this. No, you have to keep it open and make your decision.
Right.
But make sure that 7 minute, if you are in profit 20, 25 pip, come and sit on a break even. So even if the price comes back down and hits your sell, you don't lose anything. If you don't make anything, that's fine. But if make sure that you don't lose anything. Sit on a break even. Then it's a free trade. So it goes like 50, 60 pip, and you see a sign of slowing down, then you see a danger that it may drop, cash out.
Cash it.
Then
Right.
it will give you the 20-minute entry down the road.
Totally.
Then you can take that as long as that 40-minute chart is still intact. So here, the 40-minute chart saying that it might be going all the way here or higher, right? So at least to this high, for example. Now, anywhere, somewhere here, like 3 to 5 candle, blue candle, 3 to 5 blue candle, right here, right? This much distance, you should
This
get a
much.
7 minute entry.
Right.
Then you travel from here to here, let's say 50 pip maybe here, and then
Here.
it will dip a little bit and create a, see, like for example here, it went up, but then it dipped,
Dip.
right? If you
Right.
enter here, what will happen to your SL? Hit.
Right.
But if you enter here and cash out here, then you have 40 pip in the bank already.
Right.
And if it drops here, okay, and then you get in again from the bottom. That's
Right.
the game.
Right.
Okay. And I mean, down, up here, you have a 20-minute entry again. So similarly, here is dropping, you get 7 minute entry. Here, you cash out, 20-minute entry. Then it drops, 20-minute entry. Then it drops, 20-minute entry. You see that? And it
Yes.
keeps coming down. So on a 40-minute chart, you see how far we're supposed to go and then keep taking the entry in that direction.
That direction.
So what I teach here that if you find a turning point and if you take the 7 minute and then 20-minute, you will make at least 100, 150 pip. For most people, if you take this one trade like that in a whole week, you are a winner, big winner. Because only 5% people out there making money.
Right.
They are 95% losing. So if you make in a whole week 100 pip, trust me, if you tell anyone that I make 100 pip in a week, they will see you are a king, man.
Right.
You are a big winner.
They will worship him
Right? And with this system, you can have something like that several times
several times. Right.
if you understand and master this.
Right.
Okay. So, and then I show you all the time. Look, for example, here, look at here right now what happened. I said it's going to go up. So, first thing I should do what? Look for the 7 minute entry, right?
Right.
Okay. What is the time here? You can see in the bottom here, around 1600.
1640.
Yeah. So, maybe, so it's January 30. That was Friday, right?
Yes.
So, let's say around 15, 16. After that, I need a 7 minute entry to go long. So, let's go take a look at the pound yen 7 minute charts. Pound yen 7 minute chart. And
7 minute.
what is here at the time?
1614.
All right. Remember that the broker, that broker, the 7 minute, and this one has 2 hour difference.
Two
This
hour
one is
difference.
2 hour faster or no? It's 2 hour more actually. If that is 16, then this should be. It's not more. It should be like 2 hour 14. So if that's 16 something, then looking at 14 something.
14.
I'm getting confused here. That's
I
messed
think
up.
it will be 18.
2 hour difference. No, no, no. Hold on, hold on, hold on. This is these are the both same light finance that I'm showing you. Okay, okay. No, no. There is no difference. There is no difference. Sorry, there is no
Okay.
difference. Okay. So
Okay.
this one was around. Let's say
1614.
what the heck happened? Oh, the chart. Okay. No, yeah. This is the live chart, right? So here, this candle ended exactly at 1755.
Right.
But I made the chart at
17.
1600 almost, right?
Right.
So I was aware that after 1600 I should be getting a long entry, but after finishing this candle, so I was aware that okay, this is gonna go up, and let's see what
Okay.
happens. So let's take a look at that. That where do you see a long entry for? Is it a long entry?
The previous one? No.
Where my cursor is, man.
No, no. It's not a long entry.
Is this one?
No.
Is this one?
No.
No. Is this one?
No.
Is this one?
This one? Yes.
This is a 7 minute chart.
Yes.
This is yellow above the red.
YOLO, not above the red. No.
So yes or no?
No, that's not entry.
Okay, but you said yes. So if you make mistake like this
I
in your
made the
trading,
next one.
you're
Sorry,
gonna
your
blow your
cursor was
account.
moving a bit fast.
Okay.
Yes.
So make sure that you are 100% correct.
100%
Now the
right.
next one,
Yes, that's entry. The YOLO is above all
that's
of
the end.
them.
What is the time here?
18.
18. What was the time that we were looking for?
1614.
After that. So
Okay.
2 hours later, you got the entry?
Entry. Yes.
How hard it is, bro?
Not that much.
If you remember, let's say, for example, hold on. This candle is 16, right? But when this candle actually closed, let's take an exact time.
Exactly.
Okay, this candle, right? So
Right.
the end of this candle is the same time of the starting of the blue
next one.
candle, right? So what's the time in the
Yes.
bottom?
1755.
Okay, after that we need a long entry, right?
Right.
You have this reversal candle, you have this 40-minute reversal alarm start beeping.
Right.
So you look at the 7 minute at 1755, and right here,
1755.
this entry here comes when 1805.
1805. Just 10
So
minutes
after
later.
1755, 1805, 10 minutes later, you have an entry. Then you have an entry. Then you have an entry.
Entry.
That's all there is. It's so simple. So
Yes.
but my question again now is that how do you know that it's going to make the turn? I just explained you. If you learn the harmonic patterns, we're gonna start inshallah today, right?
Yes. Okay.
So these are the calculations. It was bouncing from 68. When it touched the 68, I did the same thing here. Let's do the analysis here. That this candle ended up when the blue candle started, and that is
Right.
January 30th.
Yeah, right.
300 hour, right?
3. Yes.
3 hour, right? So 30
Yes.
and 3. Remember that.
3.
Now let's go take a look at the 7 minute. What happened then? 30 and 3. So January 30,
30.
that's
3.
15, that's 11, that's 3. Okay, this is 2, 253.
253.
Is this the entry?
Yes.
Is this the entry?
Yes.
Okay. How hard it is? From here to here, it went 80 pip.
80 pip.
Are you not happy taking 40, 50 pip, 60 pip trade? Run. That's it.
Yeah.
So you had a good trade from here to here, from here to here,
Right.
from here to there.
There.
Now, see, if this one, I said this little small wobble is a 20-minute entry. Watch. What is the time here?
1550.
1550. Let's see the 20-minute chart. Oh, no, the 20-minute chart. Where the heck? Okay. What was the time?
1550.
30 and let's say 1550. Let's say 1600. 30 on
Oh,
30, 1600, right?
1600.
20-minute chart. Okay, so on 30 at 15, right?
16.
No, that was 15, bro.
1555. So we said 16.
Okay, 16. Yeah, okay. So 16, where the heck 16? 1545, 50, 55, 1600. Is it a
1600.
short entry or no? Right here.
Yeah. Short entry? No.
Why not? Can you explain?
The yellow line
Yeah. Is it below the
is
black?
bottom the black line, but the
Yeah.
same hello didn't touch the red line.
What didn't touch?
In the same hello, the red line.
Okay. What about here?
Yes, it's a short entry.
What about here? If you make the entry here and like I said, this one, if you make the entry and place your SL there, what's wrong with that? Even if the first one, if you take the entry and put SL, your SL hit. You
Okay.
take the second entry and you place your SL, is it hit?
So
Is it hit?
no,
No. So from here, your entry is right here. And from here to here, how many pips you make? 75.
75,
How much you
78,
lost here? 25.
25,
So you still earn in profit,
50 profit. Yes.
right? So even this one, so you have a long here, you had a short here
Short hand.
for 50 pip. You have, 50, 60 pip, 70 pip long here. You have 80, 85 pip long here. What about this one? After reversal, you have a red candle.
Yes, I
Okay.
have a red
So
candle.
after that, you need to look for 7-minute short.
7-minute check. Yes.
So 129.18. 129.18.
129, 18. 129,
But
18.
7-minute. 129.18.
129, 18.
129.18 right here. 129. 1805. After that,
1805.
is this the entry?
Yes.
7-minute chart, remember.
7-minute check. No, that's not an entry.
Why?
The yellow line. The yellow line is not the bottom red line.
Okay. Is this?
Yes, that's entry.
Okay. So if you make the entry here and you put your SL here, your SL hit?
No.
Okay. So how many pip you make from there? Let's say from here. That's 109 pip trade.
109.
Even if you close here somewhere, 60 pip. Then
61.
this is a 20-minute entry. You make that this
Yes.
20-minute entry and then you drop. Is it 20-minute entry? Let's take a look. This is 129.1950. 129.1950.
129,
129.1950.
50.
129.1950. Right there.
50.
Is
Yes.
it a 20-minute entry?
The yellow line. Yes, that's entry.
Perfect
The yellow
entry.
line is.
Right?
Yes, the yellow line is bottom the red line. That's
Right.
entry.
Yeah.
Right.
So, just practice that. Look, 40-minute chart, making turn from where. Now, obviously, what you need to learn is that it's making a turn here, reversal candle here, reversal candle here, different places. Are you going to take every single reversal candle?
No.
Answer is no. Then which one? Right? So then we come up with all the other studies we call harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
And then, SNR level here and all of that. So now you understand that, the few things that I wanted to just, revise, excuse me. So I'm going to show you that what the heck is this, right?
Okay.
And let me show you a diagram. Let's just start with that harmonic pattern now, little by
Harmonic
little,
pattern.
and then we will go from there. As you learn, then I'll teach you. Remember those extension levels and retracement levels. Never forget that.
Yes. Never forget.
Now, there is a pattern, very common, the most understandable pattern is this Gertle pattern. We call it Gertle.
Gartley. Okay.
Gertle pattern. And this is how it looks like. And you have all the diagrams that I have in my computer. I gave it to you when you signed up. In the folder, you have it, all of these diagrams. So you must go over and then learn. So this is the whole pattern. It has 5 points, X, A, B, C, D. That's exactly what happened most of the time. Right? Most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time. And whenever that happens, if you pay attention, then it will become very lucrative. Okay?
Okay.
Why? So, for example, you have a move XA, whatever the move, and it
XA.
makes the turn and then drop, and you measure that. And you see that the price come and touch 61% and
61%.
making a reversal candle there. You look for a reversal candle. If it's not making, what the hell with it, right? Look somewhere else.
Right.
But if it is going to make a reversal candle, our strategy now, by now you should know, you realize that it is based on a slogan, which is if, then, if, then. If we have a reversal candle, then we look for 7-minute entry. If we don't have the reversal candle, then we don't look for the 7-minute entry, right? So then depending on if, not definite. I'm not telling you any point that definitely it is going to make the turn and then you should do this and you should just go long from here and go short from here. No. Price can do whatever it wants to do, right? But we look for the possibilities. In fact, the proper word is the probabilities, right? What is
Probabilities.
probable, right? The chances, right? What are
Chances.
the chances, 50-50 chance or
50.
80-20 chance? So we look for 80-20 chance. 80%
chance.
right, 20% wrong.
Wrong.
20% wrong will always be there, right? 20%
Right.
wrong is like, we don't know. We are alive, yeah, 90% chance that we will stay alive, but there is 1% chance that I will not be alive tomorrow. There is
Right.
always a chance of dying whenever, right? So this is how
Right.
it is. Chance. So how much chance do you have? So if I'm healthy and this and that, I can say, yeah, looking overall picture, my health and my, all of that, I may be, 80% that I will still alive. But if Allah decide, it will kill me, no problem.
Right.
I can die. So 1% chance is always there,
Right.
right? So this is what it is. We look for probabilities. So turning points are these. Obviously, it says from here to here, but is gonna turn from here or not? You can still when you master, you can do that too. But pay attention to this pattern right now. That
Right.
very important. That extension number one. Sorry, retracement point number one is 61%.
61.
So if anything, if you measure a move and then the price reverse and it is at 61%, then you look for that if it makes the turn from here, then what? Right? Gonna go all the way to the upside, or is gonna go the 23% line and then drop. These are the possibilities. Right? If it makes the turn from here, you have two possibilities. Either it's gonna go to 23% line and drop, or it's gonna go straight to the upside. But can
Yes.
you make the entry if you have a reversal candle? Yes, we just saw it, right?
Yes.
The GA, the 40-minute, what the heck is that? Okay, see here, if you pull the fib from here to here, the fib is already there. So see this, 61%,
61%.
right? So when I
Right.
saw that, I said, okay, let's see if we get a reversal candle. Then I did. I got it, right? I got the
Right.
reversal candle, and now a blue candle started to show up.
Right.
So it says, okay, that if condition is gone, I already have the reversal candle. Now
Yes.
I have to fulfill the then condition. If then,
Condition.
if then. So
If
if is
then.
gone, now wait for then. And when you have the setup ready, you open the trade and you cash out.
Question.
Then here again the same thing. if then, if then. If it's on the 23% line right there,
Wait,
it made the reversal candle, and then you look for short.
short.
But then you may not get the short. Even if you get it, for example, and you make the entry, it goes up again and hits your SL and you lose 10 pip, let's say.
Right.
Then again, it made the reversal candle. It's not crossing that 23% line, right? It is still at that, below that. So again, the chances are that it may drop again.
Oh.
So when you look at the second time and you made the entry, it's a good entry. And you go down here. From here to here, how many pip? 80.
80.
Now, pay attention. From 61%, price bounce. Then going to 23% line and then reverse. Then
Reverse.
automatically looking at this diagram, where the heck is going to go now?
To the D,
Yeah. And what is the level of Fibonacci level there?
78.
78. So if you make the entry here, a short entry, are you going to close here?
No.
Over here? Over here? No.
No.
You take it
No.
all the way to 78.
Right.
Or just close by, you have 95, 69. So if you make an entry here, and let's say it is like you are in profit 70 pip, my
70
question
pip.
to you is, are 70 pip good enough for you? Is it
Yeah.
enough profit?
Good profit.
Good profit, right? So close the damn thing wherever it is going, what the hell with it? Right?
Right.
You take your 70 pip run, right? But all of a sudden you realize that, okay, it went down all the way according to the diagram and it touches 78. So can I have a reversal candle here? Then you wait. Then you have a 40-minute reversal alarm on the chart. And all of a sudden, you making a tea, chai or something, right? And then you see, hear alarm beeping, and you come running and then look at it, and then, the reversal candle is finished at 78%. This pattern is completed, right? Point D at 78% of XA will complete a girdle. So what is supposed to
Right.
do when it's completed? It's supposed to go up,
Go up.
right? So you're supposed to buy here, right? So you look for
Right.
7 minute long, and I'm keep doing that. So here you look for 7 minute long.
Long.
What
Yes,
was the
long
time
entry.
here? This is
70, 55.
17:55. You already saw that we had a beautiful
Yes. Entry.
long entry there.
I think we had entry for both 7-minute and 20-minute.
Yeah. You see, we saw the both entries there, and then look what happened.
Right.
7 minute, beautiful entry. And 7 minute entry, and then this is a 20 minute entry, but you see, it never came close to your 7 minute entry anyway. Your SL is hit, is strongly here. And then let's see if this one is 20 minute entry or not. It is 1925. 1925 on Friday. No, it was, see, it went up very fast. 1925 was right there. So this wasn't a 20 minute entry. That's why I said that sometimes you have a reason that the price is moving fast, right?
Fast.
So you hold
Right.
on to the 7 minute entry. But sometimes the price moves, you have a good entry, but price is moving and then slowing down somewhere, you might want to close. This will come later on. This confidence will come later on as we go along. I'll teach you some other things, then you will realize that, okay, that's what it is. Secondly, if you look at this thing here, let's say, even if you make a 7 minute entry and then you holding on to it and the price comes and hits you at the break even, right? It doesn't matter. You didn't make anything, but you didn't lose anything either. But
Right.
if the price come and hits you SL, that means it is definitely making a 20 minute long. That's the reason that it comes down. It comes down to make the 20 minute long. But sometimes it hits your 7 minute entry, sometimes not. So sometimes it is safe. Let's say if you have a 7 minute entry, price move too far, too much, right? And then it comes 20 minute entry right there, and it goes up. You survive. Your 7 minute will survive. But if you have a 7 minute entry here and the price slowly goes up, and then it comes down to make a 20 minute entry, your SL will hit on the 7 minute entry. So that depends. But that's not the point right now. The point is that you must understand that these patterns. So this is what
Right.
happened here exactly. Right? Now, another chart that I'm going to open, and Okay, can you tell me what is happening here?
In this candle, okay, you give a direction to it will go up,
Yeah,
and
but
right now,
why I make the direction to go up? Did
because
the coin toss or something or what?
no, the Fibonacci, it's saying us 69, so almost the golden ratio point, between
I don't even
61%
have a
to
Fibonacci
78,
here.
right?
Where are you saying the Fibonacci? I don't have a Fibonacci drawn here.
Okay.
No. You said Fibonacci. From where?
I said because it's 61% and 78% was
Where
there.
are they? Where are they?
On the right side,
Here?
yeah,
They're not 61%. They are 161%.
161%.
And this is
Correct.
completely different tool. You see, this is a blue color.
Yeah, blue
It is the Fibonacci expansion. And
extension.
it is a tool coming from here, this white one. Those levels are for this fib. I'm not talking about that at all.
Okay.
This is finished. What happening here? Why I said that it's gonna go up now?
It's create a Gartler pattern.
Okay, where do you see that?
Uh, in 29, 14, 45
What is that?
at the time,
Ah, okay.
29
Okay,
January.
so it's starting from here?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So tell me where to stop, okay? Should I
Okay.
go here? Should I go left or should I
Stop.
go right?
To the top.
No. The
To the
right.
right.
Okay, top right here.
Now,
Then
yeah, go up
can I go
on the
here?
right.
Can I go here?
Stop here.
Can I go here? Look,
Mm,
hold on. Always
okay.
remember when you draw the fib, you
Favor.
only draw the fib in the forward motion, forward mode, not the backward. The price is here, right? This is
Here.
back, this is forward, this is front. So you can never draw the fib going backward. You can never draw the fib this way.
Okay.
Okay? Even if coming down, you need to draw fib in the forward
Forward.
motion, forward
Forward
in
motion.
this direction, not there, not like this.
Okay.
Okay? So coming down this way and going up this way,
This
and
way.
this way. Move forward in this direction. Okay, remember that this is
Okay.
a rule of thumb. So now you said that I should draw the fib from here, right? So I can't
Here.
go the backward, right? I can
No.
only move forward.
Forward.
So tell me where to stop. Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Go to the fast, a little fast candle. The
Here?
fast wave. No. To the left.
Here?
Yes. Up.
Here?
A little bit up.
Here?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now you're getting it. Okay, I was just
Okay.
testing you. Okay, so this becomes X. Let's go
X.
step by step. Okay, this becomes X.
X. Right.
All right. So if you're talking about a Harmonic pattern, if you're looking, you said it, right? It's a Gertle maybe, right?
Yeah.
So let's see if really it is a Gertle, right? And
Okay.
this becomes now the fifth starting point is X, ending point is A.
A. Right.
Now B point should be at what point? What level?
To the C.
B point should be at the C. What the heck is that?
No. I mean X, A, B, C, D.
Which fib level? Which
Oh,
fib level it
30,
should?
38.
Okay. You sure? That's the reversal.
61.
Is this
23. Sorry. It's 23.
okay? Bro. After this 61, where the price go?
Up.
Okay. And what level?
23. So it will be
Okay.
78.
Okay. Again. Don't go in a hurry. You are going too fast. You say things very fast.
Okay.
First think and then say. Then
Okay.
you will be okay. All right.
Okay.
Don't speak too fast because you're not catching up with your mind. So slow down. Now this
Okay.
is X. This is A.
A.
Now, where the price should go next?
Down.
What
Short.
level? This is I'm keep asking you. Down where? To Niagara Fall?
No.
Where?
To 61%.
Okay, 61. Keep that diagram in your mind. And
Okay.
you should have it. Next time you open the diagram on your computer as well, okay?
Okay.
So B point. Now X A comes B. B need to be where? 61.
61.
Is it there? Ay. The question is that is it this? You see that it reversed from here, right? So what line
Right.
is this?
61.
61. Aha, magic,
Right.
right?
Right.
So we mark this. It's okay. This is 61. Good. If we make the turn from 61, where we go usually?
23.
23. We know that. So the
Right.
price goes here, and this is so it's the price going up and up and up, and you're watching,
Up.
and then right there is just trying to make a short reversal candle, right?
Right.
So even if you are long, you close and you wait for a reversal candle and short, right? Maybe not.
Right.
I'll explain you should not do that, but you can sometimes. So you expect that it might. It's not 100% done deal, right? It might
No.
make go for a Gertley pattern. It can go straight to the upside. Look at this diagram. This is also a possibility. That's the one that I show you, and the other possibility is this one. Why is it small, man? Okay, you see that this diagram. You see this X A,
X,
and then
A,
B is
B.
I said
61.
50% or 61%, right? So let's say
Okay.
61%. Then it goes to C point, which is 23% line.
23. Right.
Now here you have two big possibilities. Either it's gonna drop or go up. Where else? What else? There is no third possibility, right? Either down
Right.
or up. But both are possible here. So if you have a reversal candle, then you look for short entry. And down here somewhere, it will give you a short entry on 7. And here maybe you give you a 20-minute, right? You will never see a long entry. So you're not going to open a wrong trade anyway. But if it is going to the upside, you will not, this thing is not going to drop and you will not see a short entry. It will just give you a long entry. You
Right.
understand? So 23% line, anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
But if it is going to drop, you have a reversal candle, then you look for 7-minute short.
Very short.
But we also know that it goes all the way to here, 78%, right? According to
Right.
this diagram, to make a Gertley pattern. So from 23% line, if the price dropping, you get the entry, 7-minute entry, you go for 78%. That's where the pattern will finish, right?
Right.
So is that happen here?
Yes. Almost.
78 is right there, right?
Right.
Little shy, but yes, it
Yes.
didn't quite touch the line, but it was very close, and then it gave you a reversal candle,
Right.
right? So maybe it's a little bit confusion, maybe a little danger that it might drop one more time to touch the 78, right? So what we do after a reversal candle? If there is a chance it's going to drop, then it's going to go up? No, it's going to simply drop. So you will
Right.
not see a long entry. But if it is not going to go down and then right from here it's going to go up, you will get the entry.
Right.
Right? We don't open. Remember, right after the finishing 40% reversal candle, we do not open the trade immediately. We
Right.
wait for a long or short 7-minute, right?
Right.
If we are expecting a long here, if it's a short, if it drop and a short entry comes, either we will take it or not, but that is not our pattern. Our pattern requires going up.
Okay.
And if we find a long entry, that would be a good one. And we will definitely take that. If it drop, yeah, I'll think about it. I'll see if it's going to drop more or what, it's going to be a failed Gertley or whatever. But that's a second degree, a risky trade. But the good trade is that if it's going to bounce from 78%, if it's bouncing and going up, Yes, I'll take it.
Right.
Right?
Right.
What time? So now from here, you were right that it was a perfect girdle here as well, right? So
Right.
Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie both made a girdle pattern.
Right.
And you can see clearly that both started to work out pretty well. So 7 minute entry on Euro Aussie. Do we have it? Do we have it? Do we have it? So where is the 7 minute chart, man? Right here. So go into the upside. Look at that. You see that? Now look
Right.
at it. This candle is 1755.
755.
And this is Euro Aussie 7 minute chart. 1755,
1755.
this yellow line. I was explaining that in another one-on-one last night. So this is the yellow line already there. Right?
Right.
So you see that, right? 55, right after that, is it an entry?
Yes.
Is this an entry? Entry? Entry?
Yes.
Which one you like?
Yes.
You know, you can pick and choose.
Right.
There's so many entries and all are perfect. And not only that, you also know that where the heck this thing is going to go. Usually when this thing, it is like this other diagram. This is what's going to happen. Either it go from here to all the way there, and if not, from here it's going to go, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, way to the upside. Why? Because this is Elliott wave count. We will learn that later on. This is wave 1 and 2. The wave 3 comes to 1.618. So wave 3, it will achieve either going from here, or it will drop first, make a girdle pattern, and then go and achieve this 167, 161.
So Gartley complete an extension over.
Girdle what?
When the Gartley pattern is complete,
Uh-huh.
the last D,
Yeah.
on the D point, it will go up.
Up.
So when we go up, usually it will go extension. Like
Yeah.
going.
Always. So see, we will drop the fib from here to here. It
Mhm.
will go to 127, then drop a
127.
little bit, then again go up, then it will make higher high, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. That way, it will go all the way here.
Right.
Making higher high and higher low, and then go there. But this move will go to the upside, just like this one. Let me show you if I had it here. Oh, I just changed it, man. But I can show you that. So look, this is wave 1. This is
Right.
wave 2.
Wave 2.
Right? So, well, no, I don't want to say it because I didn't teach you. So wave 3 is how much and all of that. But wave 3 usually is 1.618. So we see that all the way it came. And this, you see this? Yeah. Let me move this. See this? 161?
161.
That is usually the target of wave 3. See this in this diagram? You see that the wave 3 target is 161. Right? So this is just showing the upside down, that's all. So it was 1 and 2, and then all the way wave 3 here achieved that. Wave 3 is completed here, and that's why I have it here written, wave 3. Is it complete here? Then after wave 3 comes what? Wave 4. Wave 4 is usually 38%.
Right.
But that Elliott wave count and all of that, that's different. So let me explain that first, and then we talk about. But we're talking about the harmonic pattern right now, and you saw how the girdle pattern works out. Is it by chance that you have like Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, both making a girdle pattern? Maybe it's a chance, right?
Right.
But how about this? Can you explain here? Well, you can. I have it written here already. So.
Oh my God. Yes.
But if you see that here, see XA, this one is exactly what? Well, this is not the fib. I switched the fib already. That's why it is messed up. Let me see. I'm looking for extension. Let me draw a new fib here. See, I'm gonna draw here, and I'll get see here. So you see, what the heck happened? Where'd it go? Oh, it went all the way there. Okay. So you see, this point is touching where?
78.
Then it came down and touched where?
23.
Okay. Is it a magic?
No.
Yeah, it is a magic. Mathematics is magic.
Right.
Okay. Mathematics is magic. We just don't realize it. Mathematics is very powerful. Very, very powerful. Everything in your life, even in your body and every single thing is involved mathematics. Everywhere. The mathematics is involved every single where. All right.
Right.
So it is, we don't realize, but if you look at it, that everything is, all these prices are, they are, how come this Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie has nothing to do with USD yen? They are different countries, they are different currencies, but the same drama is happening there. It is 78%. Now, the problem here that, see, this is 78%. By the way, this is
Okay.
not 61%, right? So
Right.
Gertler pattern is 61, then 23, and then
23.
78. But
78.
what if this thing goes instead of 61 straight to 78? That's a different pattern that we talk about.
Different.
We will talk about in the next session. That's
Okay.
called a butterfly pattern, and that's what it's going for. Let me just show you that just now, so that you don't get confused. That butterfly pattern is slightly different, and it's a bearish one. So this is butterfly pattern, and this is the calculation for this. Okay, whatever. Make it bigger. See that? So this is the butterfly pattern. It's the X, A, and B is not at 61, it's 78. It's straight up to 78. And then either 38 or 23.
Or 23.
Then it goes to 127 extension
7.
to complete a butterfly pattern. Now, Gertler pattern is different. Gertler is 61, 23, and 78, and then it drops.
78.
But if this B point is not stopping at 61, instead it goes to 78, then it will drop only to 38 and then go to 127. Sometimes not, right? But that's what the pattern is. So here also we can go long. Either if we see a reversal candle on 38 or 23, we will be looking for our long 7-minute entry from the 7-minute chart. And that's exactly what happened here. Not here. Not here. See? Exactly this one. See 23% line? It started to go. That was my entry right there. And then boom.
Right.
Going for, I have it here.
127.
I have it here. Yeah. You see that? I have it marked here that usually what happened? Butterfly pattern, 78, 23, it goes to 127. Now, not only that, but I have different studies that from the top, I have that, this is the 50% is coming here. I have Fibonacci expansion here that is telling me that 127 or 161, these are the levels, and SNR level, all of these. So my take is like somewhere here, the price will go and then make a reversal candle and then come down. So going up, I'm trading. Coming down, I'm trading. Anywhere it goes, I'm trading.
You are just trading and trading.
Right. Well, if you learn, you can trade these levels and these legs, all of them at will. It's just of learning. Just pay attention, work hard, learn, watch my videos again and again and again. Okay, several times each video to absorb. See, the information that I'm giving you, I accumulated in 14 years. So it is not going to be a biryani for you to just eat in one day.
Right.
It will require a hard work.
Hard work.
Right? So I'm going to end here now. So you at least got the Gertler pattern. So next webinar, I would remember that, I will do a little revise on the Gertler, and then we will go on the other different patterns.
One thing, Mentor, with today's class, can you provide that image of that Gertler pattern?
You have it already. I told you that. Good. Go and look for those in the. See, this is why you're not doing the homework. That's what I'm keep saying, that do the homework. When you sign up, when first time Omar send you all the files, all the diagram files are there. If they're not, look for them. If they're not, let me know. I'll send it to you. But if you look for them and you find it, you will never forget. So look for them first.
Mentor, they are not there inside the 2025 CTS MT4 package.
They're not in there? Okay, then I'll send it
No.
to you. Then I'll send it
Okay,
to you.
thank
Don't
you.
worry. All of those diagrams, I'll send it to you.
Okay, thank
Send
you
the
so much.
Hermione pattern and Elliott wave as well.
Okay,
Okay? All right, man. Take care.
thank you.
All
Assalamu
right,
alaikum,
thank
mentor.
you. So, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.